Yeah, so my name's Danny Sestorf. I'm a project manager for National Ready Mix Concrete Company. I've really been involved on the CNG RNG side of the business, just trying to help roll that out throughout the company.
Hello, my name is Pat. I'm from National Ready Mix Concrete and I'm a mechanic here.
Yeah, so for National Ready Mix, we're actually owned by the VCAT group of companies, and they had a company-wide commitment to reducing the carbon of their product. So when we brought up the idea to convert, roughly 50% of our diesel fleet to compressed natural gas powered by renewable natural gas, they were very excited about it. So the transition for us was actually pretty smooth, and we've liked that we've been able to see a reduction of carbon in our product.
This is a big change for us going from diesel to CNG, RNG, and I had a lot of concerns at first for the safety and the high pressure tanks. Actually, I've done a lot of research and gone through Luxfer and Momentum's resource centers and found some information, and it's made me feel a lot better, showing the rigorous testing and stuff like Danny explained. And so I'm a lot more comfortable with it now. I do the driver training, and I explain to them all the testing that I've seen and done and gone through, and it makes me feel a lot better about it.
So when John, he gave us a tour of your Riverside plant, and it was really comforting seeing all the rigorous testing you do on your cylinders. So when we actually are training our drivers, we're communicating that to them because they are pretty concerned. I mean, it's pretty high pressure gas. It's very different, from traditional diesel. So when we have communicated, like some of your drop tests or hydro tests that you do on the cylinders, they have a better level of comfort with the trucks. And then after they've driven them a couple of weeks, it's very typical to our diesel trucks. So they have that comfort level, and it's been good.